Hi, this is the Zipper Lady, and we're going to do a little zipper magic today. The only difference between a regular zipper and an invisible identical is simply the way the head runs on the tape. And you can make a standard coil zipper into a reverse or a identical simply by changing out the head. So I want you to look at how the heads are made first. So these are a little bit bigger, so hopefully you can see it a little better. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Let me get it back. There we go. Okay, so this one is made to go on a standard zipper, and the thick part, because the zipper tape goes through that slot right there, the thick part is manufactured to go over the coil. Now a reverse head, can you see how the thick part is on the bottom? That means it's meant to go on the coil reverse so that the coil runs on the bottom. Just so that when you look at one of these pulls, you can get an idea of whether it's a standard or not. So here is one. This is a reverse. This was a two-headed or a double pull, and this one goes on either way, so you can use it on either side. Think maybe about a tent or something. So anyway, all we're going to do is, this is the magic, is you're just going to unzip this. This is a separating zipper, so we're going to pull it apart, right? Then we're going to pull the head all the way down. This is called a top stop right there. And we're just going to cut that off. Pop this off. And now we're going to put this little white head on it. And this is a reverse, so you have to turn it around and feed the head onto the tape. Now there's many manufacturers, and some of the manufacturers work together, some of them don't. Some of the heads will work like this, some of them won't. But you have to align it with the box at the bottom, line it up. Then let's insert the other side of this. Take the pin. See how this is going to go? It goes in the side through that slot. Push it down. And it works. So all you have to do is cut it off to length, whatever that's going to be. And now all you have to do is apply a new top stop. And this is a top stop for a number 3 zipper. You need a pair of needle nose pliers to just smoosh it on. You can see the difference. This is a 3 and this is an 8. And I normally use the 8s a lot on 5s and then the little ones on the little coil. And I always, when I put it on, I squeeze it first from this side and then I turn it over and I squeeze it again so that I can push it down into the coil. And that's it. So just remember, it's the adventure, not the finished product. But sometimes the finished product is pretty cool. There we are. We have a selection that will fit on this. I have a black, I have a gold, and a silver. There you go. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.